Hey, what's up guys? John from Mongo Fishing. So today is the final regular season tournament of the Anvil Jaw series. Didn't bother turning the camera on until, well, just now. It's 6:12, but I didn't really feel like dealing with shaky camera, all that fun stuff. But now I gotta turn it on because I just caught my first fish. So anyway, let's stick some lips. I don't think he's going to be long enough. Nope. That's two. That's a good one. All right guys, I'm gonna idle back to where I started and then slow down, because I probably missed a bunch of fish. There's three. What's up? There's four. I'll tell you guys, all these bass are eating this swim jig kind of weird, man. None of them have it down their throat. They all kind of have it on the outside of the mouth. I think that's why I've missed as many as I've missed. They're just really not eating it. It's like they're just trying to kill it, but not actually eat it. All right, guys, battery change. It is 7:07. I have 4 in the box. Keep fishing. Guys, I've never been here before, here in the Pine Bluff pool, but like there are so many boats running to the back. Like that dead end's back there, but I've seen so many boats go back there. I don't know if there's something special back there or what. I've never been here. I've never even practiced here. Today's my first day ever fishing this pool. And you know, not knowing where to fish or what to do, I'm just gonna burn the bank for the morning. Probably stay with this swim jig for a while. Try to find these fish that are in the grass. Threw a buzzbait for a very little bit before the camera was on this morning with no results. I think I've made a cast or two with the frog, but that's about it, man. Just gonna keep working this swim jig for as long as I can until conditions tell me otherwise. I'm also going to stay inside the harbor as long as I can until conditions tell me otherwise, or the fish tell me otherwise. There's a lot of bait here, so I kind of want to stay in this general vicinity for at least for a little while. There we go. Number 5. That's a good one. Came right off. All right, call tag time, guys. All right, 379. That's a 4-pound fish. So he does not need a call tag. So I'm gonna ignore white. So yellow. Green. Okay, he gets blue. And he gets black. All right, 1365. The 205 is my small. 725. Let's go back down to the start again. Maybe even go a little further this time. Well, guys, the bite has definitely changed. Just did a battery change. It's 8:15, and I still have my 5. I have not culled up yet. I have not caught a fish since then. I had one little short fish that bit, but that's it. Like, no more keeper bites in like the last hour or whatever. So, bite has changed. Anyway, keep fishing. There's a fish. Don't think he's gonna help. He's gotta be 205. He's not 205. He's only $1.25. Yep, no call. He was $1.39. Wow, lassoed him, guys. All right, guys, let's idle past these docks, see if I can find more grass. Never been over here, so I don't even know if there's normally grass or not. All right, guys, just got an overheat alarm. There's nothing down there. That was weird. right, guys, battery change. It is 9:31. Nothing has changed except for my location. And that hasn't really changed much. I'm still inside the harbor. I'm just fishing a different bank, trying to figure something out. The wind has picked up though, that's for sure. So that changed. All right, guys, so I decided to go back to the bank that I've been working all day, but I'm gonna try it with a black and blue swim jig instead of a white swim jig. See if I can get bit on, you know, a little better quality. Just gonna keep mowing through this same area. Probably move to a couple other areas in a little bit, but this is the only place I've been able to get bit, so that's why I keep coming back. Anyway, keep fishing. There we go. He is not gonna help. Hey guys, you see that boat right there? Okay, we're gonna use this as a learning point real quick. So I'm working on this bank right now, and this guy, I don't know who he is, don't care who he is, came and like cut in front of me. And I am not upset. Why am I not upset? Multiple reasons. One, he gave himself lots of distance. I mean, the dude is 75 to 100 yards ahead of me, okay? So, you know, technically by the rules or whatever, he is definitely not cutting me off. Two, we're working different fish. And I can tell this because look how close to the bank I am. Look how close to the bank he is. So I'm working, you know, fish that are sitting on the shore, and he's working fish that are sitting a little further offshore. So we're not even fishing for the same fish, guys. So, you know, just because a boat jumps in front of you, it isn't necessarily a bad thing. You're gonna fish behind people. You just gotta build a bridge and get over it. Don't let someone getting in front of you throw you off. He did not cut me off, gave me more than enough room, and we're fishing for different fish anyway. So anyway, there's my 2 cents on people jumping in front, okay? Now, if he jumped right in front, you know, 25, 30 yards ahead of me and also hugged up the bank, might be a different story, but no. He went at least 75 yards ahead of me and he's further out. So I really, really don't care. Plus, like if I see him catch like a 5-pounder, you know, that's a 5 that I wasn't gonna catch anyway because he's sitting further offshore than I am, but it can clue me in. Maybe, you know, if I see him catching fish out there, then maybe I know fish are sitting a little further offshore. Just another way you gotta look at it. Might learn something from him. I'm thinking maybe he didn't catch anything that he was looking for because it looks like he's leaving. So that's also a clue. Yep, he is leaving. Guys, it is 10:40. Still same scenario, nothing has changed. Keep fishing. He might help. Probably not though. Bigger than 205. Holding a 168. No call. Sorry guys. All right guys. It's 11:20. No idea what I'm doing. I'm literally just kind of moving around the lake right now, trying to figure this out. But it's kind of bumpy, and I mean, obviously the boat can handle it, but the way I'm wanting to fish and where I'm wanting to fish isn't going to work out with this wind. So I'm kind of just having to like move around and figure other stuff out. All right guys, it's 12:40, almost. I took a break. I was having some really bad spasms and cramps. So I took a break and ate lunch and kind of chilled for a little bit. But I'm back to fishing now. Still trying to cull up. All right, guys, it's 2:07. Running out of time pretty quick. Still have not been able to cull up since this morning. It's crazy. Morning started off so good, and then nothing. Oh well, keep fishing. Still got a little bit of time left. Keep in mind, guys, I've never been here before, so I don't have like any secret little honey hole that I can run to go, you know, catch a big one, or where I think there's a, you know, high chance of there being a big one. I don't have any of that. I'm literally just fishing the conditions and fishing what looks good. All right, guys, I'm gonna start cleaning my stuff up and then get ready to run over there. So I'm turning the camera off right now.
1423.
Nice.
And didn't catch anything after 7:30.
What?
Had all these by 7:30. All right, guys, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I have no idea what place I finished or even my weight. I had 14 something. Whatever the weight is, I'll put that right here. Whatever place that was, I'll put that right here now. And then whatever my final standings on the year, I'll put that over here. Top 6 at the end of the year, we'll move on to the championship. No idea, I'm sitting in like 7th or 8th. Everything that I caught today was on a Brazalo Custom Lures swim jig. I caught the majority of my fish on Mongo Minnow. Danny does not sell that on his website. You need to request it from him. And then the others were on a black and blue. Both with a Strike King Rage Menace for the trailer. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there, along with the bell notification button. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, get out of the water, be safe, and go stick some lips.